Can't hold the camera steady.
I'm afraid I'm gonna lose him. I can't get my drag set. Oh, come on, dog. I think it's a big catfish.
Oh shoot, I hit something.
Dang, boys. You don't stop fighting. There's a big cat. I'm gonna need help with this sucker.
My goodness, look at that, Josh.
Yeah. What'd you catch him on that one
On
thing?
my jig?
You caught everything on it.
Everything on this sucker.
Yeah, you caught everything on that son of a bitch.
I thought he was a monster bass, boys. I ain't got no pliers with me.
It's a big channel cat, ain't it?
Yeah, the sucker's bite too. Can't get a hold of him.
I'm gonna shut it off here.
Record.
Camera.
Got it. It's recording that. Look at my catfish, people. Huh?
That is nice, man.
Caught that on a lure. Check that out. My daddy had to get it off the hook for me, but I'm the one that caught it.
That's nice. That's 10 pound, boy.
You think so?
Yeah.
Nice one, ain't it,
I
bud?
got my scale, but he
Huh?
got my finger. I'm gonna have to.
I am on a roll today.
I'm gonna have to let him go.
Go ahead.
All right.
We love you. You are awesome.
Woo!
Yeah!
That was great.